Everyone's making ground beef this way after discovering this genius idea. Let's start in a bowl by adding 2 cups of ground beef. Next, add a cup of rice. Add some chopped bell pepper, onion, and half a chopped tomato. I'll season with salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Now mix everything together thoroughly. Here I'm using a cabbage cut in half. Guys, preferably cook the cabbage first so the leaves are soft. Then take a cabbage leaf, put it in our cup, and stuff it with the beef mixture. After that, just close it up and set it aside. In a baking dish of your choice, add tomato sauce. Spread it well and place all our stuffed cabbage rolls on top. Now bake at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. Look how amazing this recipe turns out, folks. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks, folks.